Here it is, old versus new, old ground strap and the new one. Today we're replacing the ground strap on the 2006 Nissan Xterra. You can see these guys are kind of worn out now. And when I replace my catalytic converters, the one on the other side, can't see it from here, but the other on the other side completely disintegrated. So we're going to upgrade these for the copper ones that I bought from Amazon. So we're really just going to need a 10mm socket right here, and then you have another one that is keeping the ground strap to the body over on this side here. You can see how puny these things are, and just wait to see the new ones. And here's the set of ground straps I picked up off of Amazon. These are just brass straps. There's 5 of them. I will need at least 2 or 3, and that's what these look like. So what I had to do is actually bore these holes out a little bit more so they can fit onto the studs under the truck. So let's put that on. Of course, safety first. If you're working under the truck, put some protective eyewear on. In my case, that's what I'm gonna wear. So we loosened our 10mm here. Probably a good idea to treat those studs with anti-seize. Not that you're going to replace these a ton, but just a good idea to do it to prevent corrosion. Okay, so we removed this one off the body, and it's still in pretty decent shape, but you can see it kind of is deteriorating. Now we need to get this one. I think this is a 12mm one. Here it is, old versus new, old ground strap and the new one. And this is a completed job where I attach the strap to the exhaust here. And here's the strap on the passenger side. Got it attached right there. Takes a little turn. Not coming in contact with anything. Looking good. Okay, here's the finished product. The driver's side ground straps installed. Should be good to go. Call it overkill, but the old ones deteriorated, so I have them both replaced. One on this side, one on the passenger side, and then one down at the end. Can't see from here, but so there's 3 ground straps. Thanks for watching.